Hi there and welcome to my channel once more. In this video I'll show you how to make a scrunchie. You will need a strip of fabric measuring 26 inches long by 4 to 5 inches wide, just as shown. And you will need 8 inches of elastic. You're going to take your two short edges and then you're going to stitch them together, right sides together. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Once you've stitched them together, it should look like this. This part is going to take a little bit of time, so if you pay attention carefully at what I'm going to show you. So here now, you will take the stitched side and put that facing down on the table. And then you will take the inner bit and fold it in, being careful to keep it inside because we are going to stitch the outer section. So if you just look at how I do now, I'm going to fold the stitched edges over. I'm going to hold them together, and that's how I'm going to sew it all around, and you will see that soon. If you're new here, thanks for coming in, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you've been here before, welcome back and thanks for returning. So here now we are going to get ready to sew our scrunchie. So you keep your inner bits together and then you're going to take the two outer edges with the join and you're going to put both joins together and then you're going to start stitching. So here I am going to stitch that all the way around. If you just look carefully, just see we get it under. Once it's under the sewing machine, and then I will start sewing all the way around. Every time I sew and I stop, I ensure that the needle is down, because what we will do is keep pulling the inner bit. So that's how we are sewing the scrunchie as we go on. So be careful not to get the inner bit caught as you sew. Again, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And tick that bell so whenever I upload another video, you will get notification. You stitch this bit all around until it's finished. This method is very easy once you get it. It seems hard at first, but once you get into sewing it this way, your scrunchie this way or your loop, you will enjoy sewing it this way. So when you sew, you're going to leave a tiny opening about an inch or so, and then you leave that and you're going to pull the rest of your scrunchie loop through as I'm showing. When you pull that through, there's your little opening. So that's your opening where you're going to thread your elastic. So now you're going to take your safety pin and your elastic. You're going to stick the safety pin in the elastic, secure it shut, and then you're going to feed the elastic through your scrunchie loop all the way around as shown. So once you get your elastic in, just make sure you secure it. I tend to just hold it as shown. You can use another pin to pin it on one side of the scrunchie so you don't lose it inside, because if you lose it inside, you'll have to start again. So all you need to do is just feed your elastic all the way around. Once you've got it all the way around, then we will remove the pin and then we're going to secure the edges together. So you get the two edges and you're going to secure them together about 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch overlapping. And you can use the triple stitch or you can use the zigzag stitch. These are more secure than the normal straight stitch. They won't go undone. So you can use either of them. You can use a straight stitch if you prefer. Once you've done that, then you just trim any excess thread off and just make sure that your scrunchie is neat from hanging threads or fraying edges. And then, as shown, we are going to close that little opening. So if you pay attention, all we do is make sure that all our raw edges are tucked in properly. And then we are going to get that on. So we've changed the machine again to a straight stitch. And right on the very edge, we're going to make a very tiny stitch enclosing that little opening. Here you go, your scrunchie is all done, all ready for you. Once again, thanks for stopping by my channel, and don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Until next time, walk good.